Want to take a look at the plants? What do you think about the plants? It's green. Can you say green? Green. Good girl. Plants are coming along here. Got the tomatoes here. Whole row of them. They're doing good. Yeah. The jalapenos decided to poke up. Cucumbers still doing great. Getting a couple watermelons here. Broccoli. Like them to thicken up their stalks. They're still a little scrawny little things, but we'll see what happens. Got some peppers over here that are coming up. A whole lots of varieties. And then this right here is supposed to be a giant pumpkin. Not sure what's going on there. Doesn't look giant. I kind of expected it to look more like a squash or a cucumber, but it looks measly. Borages over here doing good. A lot of growth. A lot of growth. A lot of starters.